One, two, three, camera rolling. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's your homeless bitch back at it again, and today we are reviewing some wholesome memes which were famous in 2020, and we are gonna call this series Meme Wrapped, like the Spotify Wrapped, but the Meme Wrapped 2020, and we're gonna do it annually because memes are just, you know what they are like, they're the best. So I have some good wholesome memes which were famous in India during the lockdown, and a few all-timers, because why not? Why isn't this opening? I look homeless, I have black hair, I uploaded, I don't know, 10 days ago. So, first meme. Time travel, what year is it? 2020. Time traveler. That meme is so good. If you haven't watched The Office, go watch it. I watched it once. It's good, but it's not everybody's humor because you know why. So, if you want, you can watch it. Okay, now let's move on to some good wholesome memes. Yes. So now we are gonna react to the Ramayana memes that appeared in mid of the lockdown when people were obsessing over Ramayana, and the memes are really good. It's like student when they see true false exam questions in the exam, सबसे पहले इन्हें समझ. These memes are so good. I'm gonna pop them here. Obviously, we're already seeing they are here. So, okay, let's move on to the next meme. The next meme is when my ex says I want you back. Me. अब क्या लेने आए हो देवी? Sheep. My household is like everything is bustling with activity. हूँ तो राक्षस कुल की, पर राक्षसों में भी तो बहुत भावनाएं होती है. Okay, let's convert it to the other side because I'm a female, so this meme was nice. Meme rating 7 out of 10. Not that good, but 7 out of 10. Me watching Bear Grylls eat insects. This meme is so good. This is like an 8.5 out of 10. This meme is ultimate. Okay, I'm a big fan of Bear Grylls, so it's like the meme is so good. Okay, on to the next meme. When you order a mask for protection from coronavirus and found out they are made from China. The corona memes were the best memes, okay? Corona memes are the best memes. And this picture, this is so epic. The meme, this has to be a 9 out of 10. Moving on to Shrek memes, the all-timers. Yes, coronavirus spreads throughout the world. Area 21 workers plaguing on the wrong computer. If you haven't played Plague In, just play it. It's a really great game. So, did I? Wait. The memes are so good. This meme has to be a 9 out of 10. moving on to the next Shrek meme. When you realize even the end of the world is made in China. Facts. There's this kahavat in India. Obviously, you are all an Indian, so why am I saying it like that? हर China में बनी हुई चीज breaks after 3 days. But coronavirus lasted for a year. Best ever product from China. Coronavirus. Woo! This meme has to be a 9 out of 10. Moving on to the next meme. This is also a Shrek meme. We love Shrek memes. They're the best. So when you finish your school presentation and it was weird. This never happened with me, but this is so relatable. This has to be an 7 out of 10. Not that great, but yeah, whatever. Okay, now Monster Inc. meme. The Mike. What was his name? Okay, Mike. Yes. Teacher, anyone who doesn't want to be in the class can get out. Everyone in the class leaves. The teacher. This meme is good, but it is just a 5 out of 10 because this is like the regular memes which people make. Another Monster Inc. meme. Me explaining that if we drink water, we basically are cannibals because the human body is 70% water. The pizza delivery guy and the FBI agent is spying on. This meme is wholesome, but not that great. Didn't cause me laugh and stomach rolls. So this is a 7 out of 10. What is this? Me brings water to the airport. Airport security. This one is relatable because this has happened to me a lot of times. So this is good. This is an 8 out of 10. Okay, Tiger Shroff meme. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल. बहाने 10, counting 5, maths. Abbe Sale, this Abbe Sale meme is so good. I'm gonna pop this video right here. We're gonna watch the video too. The video is also so nice. No, you can go watch it. I cannot do it because this channel is PG-13. So go. I'll link the video in the description. Go watch the video. It's really nice. The Abbe Sale memes, everybody has seen the Abbe Sale memes. I don't know. 10 बहाने करके. Okay, this is an 8.5 out of 10. Nobody. Indian parents to the children in winters. Abhinna. Why are these memes so relatable? This is an wholesome meme. This has to be a 10 out of 10. I don't care. I too don't bath every day in winters because who baths in winters? I'm like, I look homeless, right? I'm that homeless bitch back at it again. Let's see the next meme. Nobody. Me at examination hall. The invigilator. Abbe likh. These memes are so relatable. And for your information, I got a 92% in my 10th examination. Well, that isn't anything to be bragged about, but why don't we mention it when we are talking about the examination hall meme? Yes, whatever. Yes, this meme is so good. We are gonna rate it an 7.5 out of 10. Didn't cause that much laughs. Okay, kuch to gadbad hai wale memes. When you are using phone at night and your mom is suddenly enters the room. This meme is good. This meme has to be an 8.5 out of 10. Indian doctors to coronavirus. Either my humor is broken or this meme is really funny. And for sure, this is my humor being broken. I can't. This is a 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10. Me to my exams. Pass क्यों आ रहे हो? This is what happens when you shoot at 2 a.m. in the night. You laugh at the most unexpected things. This is that Sonu wala meme. It is so good. This meme has to be a 9 out of 10. Me, when there's a power cut on hot summer days. This is meme, I've seen this meme everywhere, so this isn't any much more funnier than it could even get. But this has to be a 6 out of 10. And with that, we reach the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed all the memes. Yes, please guys, comment down below what videos you wanna see, because I'm running out of ideas and it is really killing me because I'm not making any content on any of the platforms. And also go check out my Instagram. What am I saying? Please go check out my Instagram. I've linked it in the bio, in the description, and I need some Instagram followers, so guys, please go follow. And also subscribe, it means a lot. It helps me grow. And also like the video, because it helps the video reach other people. So make sure hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the post notification, because nobody has turned on the post notification till yet, and I can see it. And only 7% of the people watching the videos are subscribed. So guys, subscribe, please. And that is it for the video. If you like these memes, like the video and comment down below what videos you wanna see. I've said this like 10 times in a row, but yes, please do. And if you want a second part of this video, like, bye guys. Mama, can you shut it, please?
Have dedicated their lives to fighting crime and the forces of evil.